Hello. Let's learn numbers 1 to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Yay!
Now let's learn to count. Shall we start? It's a door. How many doors do we have? 1. Yes, that's right. It's one door. How many tables do we have here? Come on, try it. 2. Yes, that's right. We have 2 tables here. Roses. How many roses can you see? 3. Yes, that's right. We have 3 roses. Balloons, my favorite. How many balloons can you see here? 4. We have 4 balloons here. Wow, those are fingers. How many fingers can you see?